Hello there, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to add Presto card to your Apple Wallet. Presto is a contactless smart card and electronic fare payment system used on participating public transit system in Ontario, Canada, specifically in the Greater Toronto, Hamilton and Ottawa areas. It allows users to pay for their transit journey by simply tapping their card on a Presto reader. So how you can add it to your Apple Wallet? For this, first open your wallet app, then tap on the plus icon from here. Then you will see your card. Presto card is a travel card, so tap on travel card here. Then you will see an option Presto Canada, or you can search it from the search bar. Then enter your card details. Presto card details and then tap add card, and that's it. It's very easy to do. So if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to give a like.